Growing up, I've always been an overachiever, someone who wanted to push myself to my limits, and it's always served me up until I was about 19 years old. I was an athlete growing up, played multiple sports, I got my dream car, I had my dream girlfriend, I had the dream job. Everything was going so well for me, at least on the outside. But deep down inside, I was hurting, and I was feeling all the symptoms, and I just kept ignoring it, just like I had done with a lot of other things in life. I just pushed through. And on the outside, people saw that I was making great strides in life, but no one really knew the battle that I was fighting on the inside. I thought eventually all these headaches, all these symptoms, all this fatigue would one day go away, but they only got worse as time went on. My body started to fall into this downward spiral of sleepless nights and endless trips to the hospital, and eventually my body hit an absolute wall.